Stop right there, please. Stop right
I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Now, step away from the wall to the dead center of the room.
This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later, Now, as they say, and we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together. Please. Do not pull down on the safety bar, please. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. We spirits are frighteningly sensitive to bright lights. They have all retired here to the haunted mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy thoughts here. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the tour. Unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creaks, and hot and cold, running chills. Listen. In just a moment. Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment. We have been unavoidably detained by pranky spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy. We will continue our tour with just a moment.
to the village portals, please remain seated to start begin motion immediately.
Give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Tranquility. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake, and they'll be expecting you. I'll see you all coming.
Those creepy little sounds great.
Materialize and begin to vocalize.
Close your eyes and try to hide a serious
Ah, there you are. And just in time. There's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our corner, and they'll haunt you until you return.
Be sure to bring your death certificate.
Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home. Kindly watch your step. Please watch your step.
Watch your step.